The design of the new Jeep Recon is perfectly in line with the Jeep family's style and meticulously showcases its robust off-road character. Take a closer look at this all-electric SUV, and you'll actually love it. The new Jeep Recon stands out with its matrix design featuring a closed grille. Each rectangle is adorned with LED strips, offering the best view, especially at night. Combined with lower front bumper features including a collision avoidance device and tow hook, it displays an undeniable off-road style. The new vehicle boasts a relatively high chassis, and the 5-spoke twin-wheel design, along with the expensive tires, is quite impressive. The rear design of the new Jeep Recon is also quite successful, featuring a spare tire suspension, a rectangular rear window design, and smoked taillights on either side. The interior of this off-road SUV is incredibly high-tech. There's a 14.5-inch central control LCD screen in front of the steering wheel and a 12.3-inch LCD instrument panel. The large screens and advanced technology are pleasing to the eye. In terms of power, the fully electric system offers a range of up to 402 kilometers, which is quite impressive.